Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to log out from ChatGPT. So go for your Google browser and go to your ChatGPT website. After that go for in this three line option. In your profile you have to click on this three dot option. Now go for logout. And you can see you have already logged out. So this is how you can log out from ChatGPT. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.